Let's talk about Live Good products versus talking about the opportunity, okay? There's being a customer, all right, where you just go to livegood.com and shop, similar to, like, let's say Walmart or Amazon, okay? And then if you like the products, you want to be a member for basically $10 a month. It's $9.95. You get wholesale prices, okay? And if you're going to buy Live Good products every month, you want to be a member, okay? Because you're going to save, in my case, all right, I was saving about anywhere from 30 to 40 a month by having a $10, membership price. Okay, so spend 10 to save 40. All right, count me in. That's how I became in the Live Good world. All right, I was buying the products first. I had no idea I'd be successful as an affiliate. Okay, I don't even know how to spell affiliate until now. whatever. So anyway, to be an affiliate with Live Good, it's $40. That is it. Every week I'll have someone going, okay, what is the spiel? Okay, $40, bait switch. And I don't blame them, because normally, wouldn't you agree that if you buy something for $9, then the next screen says $29, and then all of a sudden you're at $99, and before you know it, you've spent $999 on something that you thought was $9. We don't do that here. I don't do that. You ain't gonna care. I'm not that guy. Okay, if I represent myself and promote something online like Live Good, I gotta believe in it, and I don't want to be spieled. All right, nothing pisses me off more than, and there's more, and there's more. Okay, $40 one time to be an affiliate, where if you want to do a video like this or send out an email, invite people to basically watch a little video, because that's all I do. And I almost have 400 people signed up just doing that. That's all I do. And every month I make enough to pay for this commercial building, the radio station next door, the electricity, the Wi-Fi, even my coffee. Over here off camera, I have a big old fridge set up with Live Good products and coffee and stuff that I love, like chicken noodle soup and cereal. I know it's all sugar, but who likes Cocoa Pebbles? I do. I'm looking at my cereal. How about Lucky Charms? All right. Yeah, I like granola too. I forgot what it's called, but when you eat it, it's like Captain Crunch. The roof of your mouth gets all chopped up. Okay. You're like, ugh. Oh, it's crackling oat bran. And oh my God, the box is like this little, but it costs like $99.99. I mean, it's like for $100 you can buy a box of cereal. Or for $100, you can be a member for 12 months for the price of 10. Okay, so if you're interested in joining as a member, I don't blame you, because you're going to save money on the products. Good for you. But if you can afford two $20 bills, just stick those babies in the old ATM machine. Let's get you an affiliate, okay? Nothing would make me more happy than if you're getting the success and experience that I'm having. And I just kind of screw off now and then. I don't do fancy videos. If you follow me on, let's say, Facebook or YouTube, maybe Instagram, I just post, and they're not even really that good. I just kind of invite people to watch a video. And I want you to do the same. I want you to copy me. I want you to go and get similar business cards if you don't mind. All right, I'm really good at emailing, and I show you everything, and I tell you everything I do, usually just through video. Because I can send you, type an email, and they're effective. Emailing is extremely successful. Everyone thinks social media and video, that's awesome, but you know what? People still are successful by just mailing postcards. Okay, I don't recommend that because it's 2025 now, but anyway, whatever you think you're good at doing, do. And then we'll learn another skill along the way. Okay, so I like to just turn my webcam on and just chatting with you fine folks and inviting you to a link. Okay, now if you join Live Good, you're going to have your own website. All right, here's the products page. Customers or yourself, you just go through all the products and you click the white little box if you want to know the pricing, wholesale, retail, how to use the products, what are the ingredients. But look at how many products we have now. Package deals, we even have shirts and tank tops for the ladies. So maybe I'll get one of these ladies tank tops because I'm starting to grow man boobs. All right, so I might look pretty sexy in these tank tops. But anyway, it's wintertime now. And maybe buy a hoodie or a beanie. Okay, beanie, hoodie, goodie. Okay. So go to the products. Now, I want you to go to the FAQ section too, because you're going to have questions. All right, and probably 80%, 90% of your questions, they're going to be answered right here. Just click any of the links. You guys can figure this out. Then if you're on a cell phone or a home computer, go to the very bottom and it's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan, and click it. Now, we get 7 opportunities to earn money on the membership side. So remember with LiveGood, you don't buy a darn thing product-wise to earn commissions. Buy products if you want. And if you want to send them back within 90 days, 3 months, get your money back. Full guarantee, guys. No questions asked. You don't like the products or you're bored or you're just broke, get your money back. Even if you use the whole, let's say a protein container. All right, send it back to Jupiter, Florida empty and get a full refund. Now, the 7 ways you get paid are right here. And I'm not going to read this because it bores the hell out of me and it'll surely bore the hell out of you. But go to the FAQ, go to the products, then go to the affiliate pay plan link. And I recommend going to the bottom and say hello to this pretty girl here and click the button right in the middle. You can tell it's a YouTube video. It's extremely well done. It's created by YouTube. It explains the pay plan. And if you don't understand it, just watch it 2 or 3 times. And I recommend that if you do join LiveGood and become an affiliate like myself, please let video do all the training. Let video do the recruiting and everything that you're probably going to get sick and tired of doing. Now, when you join something in the beginning, it's kind of fun. Maybe friends or family, maybe do some videos like this or send some emails out. But I recommend just being yourself. Dress how you want to dress, talk how you want to talk. If you're new, tell people you're new. But at the end of the day, end your video, how I recommend, inviting them to click a link. Okay? And if you want to see my business cards, I like to kind of flash them up on my screen because they're simple. They're about 25 bucks. Excuse me, at what do they call it? It's called Vistaprint. Okay, let me slide it on my screen here. Usually I have it all ready to go. But let me shrink myself down so you can see it. This is how I end every video. I just invite people to click this link. I got these business cards for 25 bucks at Vistaprint. I bought joincory.com for about 10 bucks at GoDaddy. And GoDaddy for free simply sends it to a link where you watch a video. And guys, if you want to join LiveGood, just go ahead and fill your name and email address in. You're going to get an email, obviously, from LiveGood. Go ahead and read the email halfway down. Join. Get yourself a username, a password. You have the website. You got everything you need. Okay, for $49.95, 40 bucks one time for life to be an affiliate, and then $9.95 a month. And guys, I don't make any more or less if you buy the year package or by the month. Do whatever you can afford. If you have the $99.95, then go ahead and just buy the whole year. Get 12 months for the price of 10. But it's totally up to your budget. I'm low maintenance, guys. I'm low key. I just sit back and I invite people to watch the video. And if you don't want to do anything with LiveGood, awesome. It's nice to meet you. And if you want to join in a month, just keep this address or whatever. I guess you might have maybe clicked joincory.com. Just bookmark it if you want. And get a hold of me. You can find me on Facebook, inbox me, or just go to Cory@CoryDraper.com. That's my email. I've had it like 35 years now. You're not bugging me. So, guys, thank you for your time. Seriously, okay? Happy New Year. It's 2025. And I hope you join LiveGood as a member and an affiliate. All right? I think you're going to kick some butt. All right, guys. Take care. And thanks again for subscribing and watching all my YouTube videos. All right. Peace and love. Bye.